Johnson & Johnson, a renowned multinational corporation, recognized the need to improve both employee performance and retention within their organization. Their initial recruitment strategy placed significant emphasis on hiring candidates with prior industry experience. The assumption behind this strategy was that experienced hires would be more likely to stay with the company and would contribute more quickly to its success. However, this approach led to an unexpected consequence, a 10% decrease in new hires who had recently graduated from college. Data and analysis. In response to this challenge, Johnson & Johnson's human resources team, in collaboration with their people analytics team, decided to examine the link between experience and turnover. They undertook a comprehensive data analysis by compiling information from a substantial pool of 47,000 employees. The objective was to test whether there was a statistically significant connection between hiring employees straight out of college and their retention within the organization, as well as their contributions to the company. Key findings from the data analysis. The data analysis yielded several critical findings. Retention rates. Surprisingly, the data revealed that employees who were hired directly after graduating from college actually remained with the organization for a significantly longer duration than their more experienced counterparts. This discovery challenged the initial assumption that industry experience was directly correlated with employee retention. Performance contribution. Additionally, the analysis demonstrated that there was no significant difference in the contributions made by both groups of employees, that is, recent college graduates and experienced hires. This meant that hiring recent graduates did not compromise the company's performance in any way. Hypothesis and new approach. In light of these findings, Johnson & Johnson's HR and people analytics teams formulated a new hypothesis. They proposed that the company's 2-year leadership development program might play a crucial role in reducing turnover among recent graduates. This program likely offered support, training, and career development opportunities that enhanced the job satisfaction and commitment of recent graduates to the organization. Analytics and outcome. Armed with the insights gained from their data analysis, Johnson & Johnson decided to adjust their hiring strategy. They increased the number of recent college graduates they hired by a significant 20%. This strategic shift was rooted in the belief that hiring more fresh graduates would reduce turnover while still maintaining the company's overall performance levels. The impact of the new approach. The outcome of this revised approach was positive in several ways. Reduced turnover. By increasing their hires of recent college graduates, Johnson & Johnson experienced a notable reduction in employee turnover. This indicated that the leadership development program and other factors associated with hiring fresh graduates were contributing to enhanced retention rates. Maintained performance. Crucially, despite the change in hiring strategy, the company's overall performance remained unaffected. The data-driven decision to hire more recent graduates did not compromise the quality of work or the contributions made by employees to the company's success. Conclusion. Johnson & Johnson's experience and retention improvement journey showcased the transformative potential of HR analytics. By using data to challenge assumptions and make data-driven decisions, the company not only reduced turnover, but also maintained its performance standards. This case serves as a valuable example of how organizations can leverage data and analytics to optimize their HR strategies and achieve positive outcomes in terms of both employee retention and overall success. It underscores the importance of staying open to data-driven insights and continuously refining HR practices to align with organizational goals.